Hey, what's up guys? I'm here with my Tornado EPX Pro. One of my favorite cars, man. Had this thing for a little while. Brushless 1/10 scale, alright? Got a crazy light setup on this thing too. But check it out. I got the Firefly Q6 on this, along with an all-in-one FPV cam. Sit tight guys, it's gonna be fun. Alright, let's go for a little run first. Show you what it's got. Love this car, man. It's a Tornado, boy. Like that Indy car style. It's fun, man. Never had a problem with this car either. Had it for like, I don't know, 3-4 years. One of my first brushless vehicles. Got the Bandito tires on this. The stock tires are some off-road tires. Right now I'd be slipping like crazy. Some cars just don't look like off-road cars, man. But I'll take it off-road one day. Alright. Alright, let's do this FPV thing.